How to turn off sound on Facebook like button. Hey everybody, welcome back to Official Help Desk. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can turn off or disable the Facebook like button sound. So without any further ado, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Facebook app and make sure to get logged into your Facebook account. Now tap on your profile on your top right and scroll below. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Once you expand this option, go on to Settings. Here under Preferences, tap on Media. Then at the bottom of the page, under Video and Photo Settings, you will see Sounds in the app. If you would like to turn off the like button sound, just untoggle this option. And once you do so, you will be good to go. So that is all for today's tutorial. If you would like to see more videos on this topic, then do comment down below and we will get back to you soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, what you can do is like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell to never miss an update from us. Lastly, thank you very much for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.